So this is a flick knife. It's an easy to make science project at home. So it conveys the concepts of elasticity, potential energy and levers all at once, and it's extremely easy to make. You don't need a lot of raw products to make it, just simple materials you can find at home like ice cream sticks, sketch pen and scissors. So now I just have to press the switch and it flicks open like this. Now let me show you how to make this flick knife. First we have to make some markings on these ice cream sticks with a sketch pen according to the measurements. Then we have to cut off half of one ice cream stick like this and make markings in the other ice cream sticks as well. Then we have to make the notch for the blade like this and cut it off. So now our blade is ready. So now we have to use a cutter to make V-shaped notches on the edges of the ice cream stick along the lines we have drawn. This will help us attach the rubber bands there in the future. So now the notches are done. Now we have to attach them using the rubber bands. So first we will attach two of the ice cream sticks and then we'll attach the blade to one of them. And then we'll take a splinter of the previous cut off sticks and we'll use it as the switch or the fulcrum for the flick knife. So you saw a simple model demonstrating powerful physics.